Okay, now we are going to look on an introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is the most popular scripting language on the internet and works in all major browsers such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Opera, and Safari. Before you learn JavaScript, as I already told you, you should learn HTML or XHTML. At least you should have a basic understanding on how these things works. Then only you will be able to learn JavaScript and implement it on your HTML documents. Now, exactly what is a JavaScript? JavaScript was designed to add interactivity to HTML pages, and it is a scripting language. A scripting language is a lightweight programming language, and it is usually embedded directly into HTML pages. JavaScript is an interpreted language, that is, the scripts execute without preliminary compilation, and everyone can use JavaScript without purchasing a license. The major confusion that almost happens is between Java and JavaScript. Are Java and JavaScript the same? The answer is a big no. Java and JavaScript are two completely different languages in both concept and design. Java is developed by Sun Microsystems, and it's a powerful and much more complex programming language in the same category as C and C++. Then what can a JavaScript do? JavaScripts give HTML designers a programming tool. HTML authors are not programmers, but JavaScript is a scripting language with a very simple syntax. Almost anyone can put small snippets of code into their HTML pages, and JavaScript can put dynamic text into an HTML page. That means a JavaScript statement like this: document.write within the parentheses h1 plus name plus h1 can write a variable text into an HTML page, and the document.write is a keyword from the document object model. And what else JavaScript can do? JavaScript can react to events. A JavaScript can be set to execute when something happens, like when a page has finished loading or when a user clicks on an HTML element. Like we have seen earlier, we have seen the on-click event handler. When a user clicks on the button, the date is getting displayed because the on-click event handler calls the function displayDate, and the date is getting displayed by using the code that has been written inside the function displayDate. It's due to an event handler. That means JavaScript can react to events. That's it. JavaScript can read and write HTML elements. A JavaScript can read and change the content of an HTML element, as we did earlier in the case of ID and the inner HTML. The inner HTML replaces the content, the element of the tag which having the ID, somewhat like date or something like that. That's what here we are dealing with. JavaScript can read and write HTML elements. JavaScript can be used to validate data. A JavaScript can be used to validate form data before it is submitted to a server. This saves the server from extra processing, and we will be able to save the bandwidth too. The site will be more faster. The response of the website will be quick if we add these functionalities. This validation, if the validation job is handled by JavaScript, the site will be more powerful, more speed will be there for the site. And JavaScript can be used to detect the visitor's browser. A JavaScript can be used to detect the visitor's browser and, depending on the browser, load another page specifically designed for that browser. JavaScript can be used to create cookies and can be used to store and retrieve information on the visitor's computer. Now we are going to deal with the evolution of the JavaScript. JavaScript is an implementation of the ECMAScript language standard. ECMA 262 is the official JavaScript standard. JavaScript was invented by Brendan Eich at Netscape with Navigator 2.0 and has appeared in all browsers since 1996. Official standardization was adopted by the ECMA organization and Industry Standardization Association in 1997. The ECMA standard called ECMAScript 262 was approved as an international ISO bar IEC 16262. The development is still in progress, and we will see the rest in the next chapter. Thank you.